In front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. What you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to click on About Device. Now click on device name and type in wherever you want to. Let's go with Sunny. When you're ready, click Save and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!